Nargiz, and today I'm going to talk about global warming. My assistant is the Neil, the white rabbit, but she's not here now. I'm going to talk about global warming. Oh, here she is. As you know, people pollute the air, and when they do, greenhouse gases apply to the air. Greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and methane.
Yes!
When they apply to Earth's atmosphere, they go to ozone layer. Ozone layer is a layer above Earth that protects us from sunlight's poisonous consists, UV rays. They're called UV rays. But when carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases open a hole in the ozone layer because they're not good, they have a negative effect on ozone layer. When they open a hole in it, the UV rays enter the Earth's atmosphere from that hole, and they heat up the Earth. So Earth climate is changing. Causes of global warming is that as you know, as I explained, causes of global warming are greenhouse gases and factories that work with chemicals.
Hi, now I will talk you about effects of global warming. There are many effects of global warming. The animals can die, the weather or climate changes, weather gets hot and then cold. The plants die and the plant-eater animals can't eat plants and they are also dying. Meat-eater animals can't eat meat and they also die. We also can't eat meat, breathe, and we can't eat plants. These are effects of global warming. Now I will talk you how to stop global warming. There are many solutions to stop global warming. First, we don't need to use more things than we need. We don't need to waste the paper or another things because the paper is made from trees. We need to close the electric when we don't use it. Also, we don't need to waste the water. We need to plant more trees, reuse, recycle, and reduce. Thanks for watching.
Bye! Now we'll show an experiment. We'll need cotton buds,
Black pepper,
curry, and a bowl of water. We pour the black pepper into water.
Is it enough?
No.
I think no.
That's me.
It's enough, I think.
Okay. As you see, we have black pepper all over the water. Let's imagine that this black pepper is all the living things on Earth. Now, let's imagine that this are the UV rays, and we'll add them into.
We'll show it.
You see, they're going away. They're decreasing because global warming and these UV rays are very hazardous. So let's stop global warming because you've already saw how it's dangerous for us. Bye everybody. Hi again. And now we'll do another experiment. As you see, we have ices. Let's imagine that these are the icebergs and this is the UV rays. Look, the UV rays affect badly on ice. They're making it melt. As you see, the ice is decreasing. Guys, we'll take another ice and put it on water and wait till it melts. This ice is burned one, and the other ice is it's the ice that we saw before. This ice is melting. By the way, if you want to do this experiment, please be accurate with the fire. And this is the ice that we put on water. It melts more slower than this one. But if you want to, it's also melting. It's really different from that one. And this ice is completely melted. Stop. Okay. As I say, this ice is burned.
And this is how the
ice-
icebergs melt.
This ice is completely fine. So, let's protect the earth and not let the icebergs melt.
Goodbye.
Because the icebergs are melting as your ice cream do. Goodbye. The last goodbye in our video.
Goodbye.